airport underground tunnels. I can't make it out of here on my own.
I agree we must escape, but for her...
Subject's still being escorted up from solitary. Copy that. Do you want us to pacify the subject before transport? Understood. Subject will be pacified before being transported. Bravo 4-3 actual out.
Christ, you didn't hurt yourself, did you? Hey, sound off over there. Hello? Ah, shit, it's him! Sound off! Did you hear me? Get down here, he's loose! Forget it! You're not getting out of here! I'm hit! Fuck! Get to cover! I don't have any fucking cover! Fuck you! Oh, son of a bitch! I need some support, goddammit!
Attention, support units arriving. ETA 2 minutes. All squads prepare for receiving and integration of new support units.
It's taking those assholes so long.
Who cares?
I need some help here! Cover me! It's him! He wiped out the whole squad! Send backup!
How quickly it all returns to you.
Pair of deuces on the board.
Deuces.
Yeah, twos, dumbass.
I know that. Who the fuck says deuces?
Did you hear something?
Don't change the subject.
Let's just get on with it.
He knows he's lost.
No, hey, really. Full house, threes over, deuces.
Ooh, he's pissed now. Gonna get all silent treatment.
Hey, eat shit.
Whatever. Let him sulk. Deal him again.
shit, he's loose! We're running out of shooters! Man down! Give me some cover fire! Suppressing fire! One eye! Move your ass! Closing! You see that shit? That's a negative! Shit! I've been hit! Son of a bitch! Squad, let's move! Get back! Get back! Down! Down! I'm exposed! Reloading! Watch my six! My whole fucking squad! We're getting torn up! I got a visual! Trying to counter! On hit! Fuck! Fuck! Take cover! Shit! Man down! Check it! Copy that! Lost visual!